Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a special video for you. I finally received my Asic miner INNOSILICON A10 Pro 720 megahash a second, or 7G, I think they call it like that. So I received it today in the morning with DHL, and hopefully it's in the good condition. I haven't yet opened the box. The only thing I'm worried about is that there is a separate box for the power supply, and here I have only one box. I hope it is inside that box. So we are going to unbox it, and I'm going to show you how I'm setting it up, configuring all of the settings, because I don't think that there's such a video on YouTube right now when someone is unboxing the INNOSILICON 720. Here is the power supply, so it was inside. I thought it would be yellow, as on the pictures online. Guys, you can see it is scratched on this side. Asic. I'm not sure if it's supposed to be like that for the new one, or you could really see them and they're not coming off. Okay, first of all we need to connect the power supply to the Asic itself. Guys, I just noticed that I'm missing the main plug here. There's nothing in the box. Well, I don't know what it means. Does it mean that it was used and the previous owner forgot to place it inside? I found one cable. We can use it because I think it's kind of compatible to that power supply unit. And what I also found out, that on one side the warranty seal is not broken. As you can see, I'll try to... Is it clear? And on the other side, where you basically dismantle this panel and you can see the inside of the Asic, the warranty seal is broken. So we're going to try to connect it right now. Here on the 6 pins you can see that some of them are marked with the marker here. It means that you shouldn't use the splitters in that socket. You should use the full PCIe slot socket, just like that. You shouldn't place the black ones. I guess this one needs more power and much more stable connection. We need to first find out the IP address of the Asic. I'm gonna do it right now, and maybe to make it easier for you to watch this video, I'm going to connect it to my computer and connect the external microphone so you could hear me much better, and I'll explain to you how you need to configure your Asic. We are in the miner status menu. You can see hash rate. Well, you don't really see it because it's auto-tuning right now. Before you create a pool, before you input the details of your pool, you need to create an account there. So you can go to Asic miner value, you can find, you click on your Asic and then you choose. By the way, this is an example, it's not my details. I guess they forgot to erase previously. I don't know if they were testing it or if someone was really using it. So I'm using F2 pool, and
just because I thought it's more convenient. You can choose another pool if you want. So here's the website. I'm gonna log in. You choose the region which is closest to you. I'm in Europe, so also I need to change the coin. I'm going to Ethereum. Here you can see your okay, I'm gonna input the details first. This is the example of the website. You can see all the pools, and also I'm using Spark Pool as well. It's the second option because you can see the different options for the pools. We have a firmware update, but what I did is I updated it through a file which I've downloaded from INNOSILICON website. I think it was much more easier because here it was not actually downloading. I'm going to keep it on factory settings since the price for electricity is quite high in Switzerland and I don't want to go into performance. The hash rates are quite high here. It's good. It's still auto-tuning. We're not sure how much it will take exactly to finish, and it might take longer than 2 or 3 hours. We'll see, and in my next video I'll share with you the results. How's it working, if everything is fine. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you, and see you in the next one.